Hi, my name is Omar Abdallah. I'm a land use and zoning attorney here at the firm, part of the real estate section. The majority of my work has to do with land use and zoning, and so what that means is I'll work on rezoning projects, general plan amendments, and so on and so forth. I occasionally will work on more specific or complicated issues that fall within that realm. Really depends on what's going on. What I like to do most is zoning due diligence. And so what that means is, I like to look at a property's underlying zoning, what it allows and what it is that you're looking to do and what we can do to get you there.
So, how did you get into this area of work?
Well, I've always been super interested in real estate. I studied real estate and finance in college. I worked as a real estate agent with my father after college. And then I always knew I wanted to go to law school, and so of course I took all of the real estate related classes. And so, from there, since real estate has always been my interest and my passion, I figured it'd be best to pursue real estate law related work.
Okay, great. Can you think of a case that you helped that was really special to you, or something that when it worked out successfully that just kind of stuck with you?
Sure. So I worked on a case a couple of years ago in Tempe. We represented a neighborhood that opposed a project that was coming into their neighborhood, or just outside of their neighborhood. It was a car wash, and they were very opposed to it for a multitude of reasons having to do with traffic, environmental issues, things of that nature. And so, as part of my work, I do a lot of neighbor outreach. And so I spent a lot of time meeting with the neighbors, understanding what their concerns were, what their issues were, and how best to express their desires and interests to this project that was coming in so that we could ultimately shut it down, which is what we did. And so that was really, it felt really good for me because it was one of my first wins. And it felt really good because I was working directly with the neighborhood, with the neighbors. These are people that are not attorneys and they're not real estate developers, and so they did need some help understanding the process, and we were there for them to do that.
What's one tip you'd have for other professionals like yourself in persuading a case to go your guys' way, especially when there's strong opposition?
So my best tip there would be to listen and try to understand why this person is really opposing your project or whatever your case, whatever it is that's going on. And I say that because when you listen and understand the roots of their concern, you might be able to address it in a way that works for both you and them.